Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial video, I'm gonna teach you how to create stitch in Substance Painter. Right now we have chair on this viewport, and I have the option how to create stitch for this chair. The first option is how do I create simple stitch, and another option is how to create detailing stitch. And for the first step, I'm gonna teach you how to create simple stitch in Substance Painter. So let's get started. Hello guys, this is our first step, and for simple stitch, I've planned to fulfill this chair by the color, by the solid color. So what we do right now is click this icon. Okay, and be afraid because it's just first step to create simple stitch. Then select this icon and add black max. As well, click this black max and add generator. Select this auto stitch, and you can see the stitch will generate. And you can set the red position, dependence which units, of course. You can adjust the size of the stitch. And I think I want to make this stitch a little bit small, almost perfect. Okay, so you can see the result of the stitch, and I'll use auto stitcher and it make this chair fulfilled by stitch. If you want, I think the stitch is a little bit flat, so if you want to get more thick or the stitch must have a volume, you just set the height of the stitch. Back to this color layer, then select this properties and set the height. You can see different level. This is a previous level, then this is the current level. So I think it's enough for simple stitch, and for the first step is how to create detailing stitch. So stay tuned on my channel. Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and this is the second step. For the second step, I would like to teach you how to create detailing stitch. It's a little bit difficult, but it will make everything is great result because you can custom your stitch. So what we do right now is create new layer. Okay, scroll up this bottom bar and select brush tools. You can type stitch. I always use stitch small. Of course, it's depends what you use. You can adjust the size, or you can change the size. and make it straight. I mean, you just pull the brush tool and then the result is, yes, this is what I mean. I want to reduce the spacing size. I think it's enough to do. If you want to get a straight line, I mean straight stitch, you just press the shift. You can see there is an instruction where do you want to pull the stitch. If I create from here, then the guideline will show you how, I mean where is direction. Shift, then pull it. You can change the color and press shift, pull it again. And of course, if you want to get more volume, I mean more thick, you just set the height of this stitch. And replace with previous color. You can see the result. Okay guys, thank you so much for today, and if you like my video, you just give me thumbs, and don't forget subscribe my channel for upcoming update from my new video. And this is the final result. You can see every part of this chair. So thank you very much for today, and see you. Bye.